Kublai phi baro kini gilong ki khubor bam te kasngi. Menteri Rangba ke Meghalaya Conrad ke Sangma ke jingi kren jung ne kasngi ula pentep ke sarkar jila kalarai ban Pynsangeh shiporik election shaka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC habukren shaki pipe ba. Conrad ke Sangma ulo ong bagani ke rai kalong hadin ke sarkar kala bishar bnya ya ke jinglong jingman ke badang jurmenta hathan Garo Hills badru ban burom ya ke jing sngo jong ki pipe ba. Menteri Rangba lo ongru ba ka sarkar jila ka snodi ban shim ye ka sunjam ban penne e ka shongsuk shongsan ba ka shongsuk shnong ha ka than daga ba pe ye ka jinglong jingman ka badang pau menta ba ru daga ba buram ye ka jingsngo joki pat ba ka sarkar Meghalaya kala rai ban Pynsangeh shwai ke election GHADC ong usangma ula ban rap ru ba ka sarkar kandang shong jingyanang ban bishar kumno on penya chakmat ye ka kom penlong election ha ka sngi banwan Andrei hadu menta kerai ke belashim kalong ban Pynsangeh shwa ya ke election tat hadu bandala ban penbet ya ke jinglong jingman hakathan ka sarkar jila ka khmi lenti ba kani ka sunjam ka niram ban penne ya ke jingetli ba ka shongsuk Garo Hills.
Dear friends, keeping the current prevailing situation that is prevailing in Garo Hills right now and keeping the sentiments of the people in mind, the government of Meghalaya has decided to postpone the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council elections. We will sit and we will decide on how to further take this procedure ahead. But till then, the decision has been made to postpone the elections. Kasara Pingrang plak talo J Garo Hills obusarang ong ingatin. Ya plak obusarang ko masye. Aur dungtang manca mandirang ni niknakanirang ko nake. Meghalaya government ya Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ni election ko postpone kana decision ko raha.